Yeah, and so, it's kind of a different turn of the dial from the way you guys grow it. I think a lot of people are surprised at the chemicals that we use. We use PGRs, out in Oregon. We use them for different reasons, right? Than maybe what you do. We're looking at seed yield. We're looking at getting a crop to stand up. A lot of people don't understand the size of what we grow when grass seed heads out and how tall it is, and then we combine it, and then we dry it in the fields, and then we windrow it, and we take it in, and we clean it, and clean all the chaff and the dirt and the dead seed, and we try to get you the cleanest, most pure, highest germinating seed we can, so we test it. Then we use outside agencies to have blue tag certified seed, and then a very tight bottleneck window. Usually in July we're making our harvest for most of our species of cool season grass, and then we're trying to get that out to market for fall. And so always a bottleneck and always a really precise dance of millions of pounds of seed coming in, millions of pounds on order to get out, to distributors, to get out to everybody in the world. It's an amazing thing over, a month and a half, 2 months for the big rush. And, it's really neat to see everybody pull together. I mean, it's a 24-hour operation, 7 days a week in the valley, and so there's a lot of people with their livelihoods on the line, and they seem to produce every single year. But yeah, you grow it, all year long. So as soon as it's over, as soon as the big rush is over in fall, a lot of people are turning the page and beginning to plant again, right there. Some people plant in spring, depends on the species, but there's just a continuous cycle. You're either growing or you're shipping it out. So we do it all year long, and it really is fascinating, to see how many species in such a really centralized location, small valley, comparatively speaking, and it produces this amazing output, with the millions of pounds that we do.